Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Nono Obi and this is Uncut with Nono Obi, where we bring up controversial videos on the internet and we'll come here and we'll dissect it. So guys, today's video is about Jenny Glow. We know that not everybody knows it anyways, but Jenny's Glow is a popular Nigerian lady who sells cream in Nigeria. And the funny thing about it is that so many people have been coming on internet to talk that her cream has been giving them one thing or the other on their skin, that their skin was much better before they started using their cream. They had evidence of how their face was looking before, or how their body was looking before, and how it is looking now. Someone also came on internet to speak about her cream and what her cream has done to her skin, and she went and called a police for the person. Many people on internet, or 40% of people on internet, on the comment section, were supporting her for having done that so many people like to just be out there to spoil people's businesses. Some people also add the note on people can't come and spoil your business if your business is not already spoiled. If you don't do awareness how bad your business has become, other people are not going to know, they will still fall a victim. So there are two faces to this. So guys, make sure to give me in the comment section which of the face are you in line with. Are you in line with those that said that it's good that police arrested her, or are you in line with those that said it is bad that police arrested her because if she hadn't done the awareness, people would not know? Actually, I wanted to buy that Jenny's Glow, but it's not because of the awareness that made me not to buy it. The reason why I did not buy it is because I just felt very unsure of the brand. I wanted to come back to Nigeria, go to their shop and examine with my eye if I can shop anything from them. Though so many people were shopping her stuff online and hadn't been to her shop, I don't know, so many of them experienced such thing, but I just had this thing that let me come to her shop, and if I feel satisfied I can shop. So thank God I didn't waste my money, because I thought that actually expensive, but at the end of the day, so apparently what it means is that some people that are coming to do advert for her, they are all doing fake. Because the thing is that these people that are doing this cream, most of them don't use this cream, because the way she's looking, I can say maybe it's not even this cream that she's using, or maybe she's using a better version of herself than you giving us another version that is not good. So now a guy now came and said you can't shame the shameless. I think he had something to do with this guy, and this guy came up on the internet.
But I don't want to deal with this person. Okay, come the baby girl, they quarrel. So, how can a grown-up man sit down, ring lights, someone pays? That's why if they do give away, people are praising Baba, they are praising. Yeah, you are strong. You are not strong, my darling. You are not above the law. You are not strong. I don't want people to say I'm bullying people. I'm bullying. That's why I did come for you all this while. Because I sent you a money letter and in fact, you did a lot. I have enough. Anybody you feel you have, say you claim you have 80% of people, bring them to the courts. Let them fly out the way and come. They're not jail anybody. Nobody will go to jail. We will go fight her for court. That's how it go end. But put the same energy you put it on other brands. That's how you advocate. I said to the advocates, you say Jenny's Glow and other people, you call other names too. That's all. You just stop bellyful, you not get work. You carry ring lights. Jenny's Glow. I'm going to bring you that. I'm above the law. Maybe look for where to park. Hi, good evening. Doing this or doing that, my dear, no level. You can't bring my brand. If I do sales tomorrow, I will say. For those of you coming to say Jenny's Glow, don't say anything again. I will say what I want to say. If you don't like me, no problem. If you don't want to buy my product, no problem. It's not do or die affair.
Alright, so first of all, to the Nigerian youth, this is an example that if we decide to start fighting for our rights, we will actually shake people. It is amazing how I am inside this one room. It's even scattered self. I did not sweep. How I am inside this one room, which I am paying 350,000 naira a year, and I am shaking somebody that is a millionaire that have businesses everywhere in Nigeria. And you know why I can easily do this and I am still standing and walking free? It's because I know my rights from my left, and I know that what I'm saying is right. So you heard her. She said she served me a warning, a letter. So you are doing something wrong. I complain, and you serve me a letter to keep quiet and to apologize to you. That goes to show you how bad the justice system in Nigeria is. How the rich people try to oppress the poor people. You understand? And then she went on saying every other thing that she's saying. And those ones not really count. You understand? The key thing she said is she served me a letter. You understand? The second thing she said if she do sales now, people will rush and buy. You understand that if you don't want to buy, you should leave it, blah blah blah, you know. And this is to show you how, again, the girls are, a lot of Nigerian girls don't know their left again from their right. Because if she can boast that if she does sale, people will still rush her product. That's to tell you that some people, you know, they are the problem of the country. And then Nafdac, again, Nafdac has your product on hold. You understand? You are trying to do damage control. Go and settle with them. Then they call you. You are doing damage control that they did not lock your place. They did not seal your product in Abuja. Go to the Abuja and make live video. Let us see. Make live video there. You understand? And you say you want to go to court. I don't have a problem with that. Let me tell you how cheap your case is. I don't need a lawyer. I will stand for myself in court. That's how cheap it is. I don't count this as something big. For crying out loud, I don't even have money to carry lawyer. So I will stand for myself. Do you understand? I'll just tell you small thing. Small thing. Small. If you want to have products in Nigeria, your Nafdac number must be on all your products. But you don't have it. You are doing damage control. You are being stubborn. I'm also a stubborn man. We are both from Odio State. The ginger where you get, now I get. You understand? You understand? I don't get problem. You see, a grown-up man set ring lights. I don't want to make videos without ring lights. I don't want to see my face. Sometimes if people want to talk, people don't calculate. So you won't shame me. You won't shame me. You won't shame who no get shame. I don't ever go make video for fancy house. Not beside my house Saturday make video. They tell you say I the shame of my background. I dey hustle small. I know they complain. I get small business so I say they feed myself. I know they complain. So all those when they talk not even count. I want to take me to court. I have been begging you, serve me a letter. Take me to court. You know, agree. That is the problem where we dey now. I want to go to court. I will tell you how cheap it is. If you like carry senior advocate of Nigeria, I no go carry lawyer. Only me one go stand. Don't play. I dey wait for you. All this online thing wey they do, not really balance. Come, I dey wait. Only me inside one room without television and the shake who get money where they drive jeep. I love this. This is what makes me a man. To know that you cannot step on me is what makes me a man. And I'll go to the end of the earth. If you like, make it take my life. I go no see, I get the pride, say, I no succumb to person where won't step on me because he get money past me. No. That is what make me. I will not be a coward living in this life. You understand? No. You know if you cheat me like nah. Don't play.
Yeah, me basically, I know many people that has this skincare brand. I know many of them don't use their brand in Nigeria. I don't know, but I just know many of them don't, and I know it's very few of them that uses their brand as they say in Nigeria. I also know it's many of them also use influencers that their skin is already, you know, good and all. Of course, we saw that Jenny's Glow shop has been sealed.
Yes. all right. Jenny's Glow Ikeja branch is on fire. Nafdac don't pack all our goods. All right. Furthermore, then I said, okay, let me confirm from the original source. He said, I told you to calm down. Don't even do anything about all your petition. They have packed all Jenny's Glow unregistered product from our Lagos office. When they came to our Abuja office yesterday, they told her to recall all our unregistered products and to also withdraw a fake advertisement. Fake! Only 7 of her products are registered out of 25 different products, meaning all those Osha Prapra soap, Osha Pro Pro, Osha Pre Pre, Osha Prerere, Osha Paratatata. All those products is only 7 inside the different varieties she has that is registered. She's not herself. I know my Oga will deal with her. This is stage 1. Stage 2 is coming. Stage 2 is coming. First of all, before I talk further here, I want to give a special appreciation to this special person that have stood by me. This is my biggest connection. You understand? That have helped me so far in this case. I know you said I should not call your name, but I will call your name. I want to give a special shout out to my ring light. You joined me to show the world the evil that's going on. You joined me to show the world the atrocity in the skincare industry. I love you. Alright, all jokes aside. All jokes aside. It doesn't stop there actually. It doesn't stop there. And then stage 2, of course, is still loading. She has to really be accountable now and also pay all the people that have been damaged by her products. Yes, that's stage 2. Now I am about to exit the stage, and I will exit with my favorite line of my favorite song. Hold on. Wait, sorry, hold on, let me get there. Sorry. No. All right. Wait. Please, I'm sorry, I'm taking your time. Hold on. Hey! What a la chiese? Echukula kuleku tiese. Echukula la le pepe. Echukula asati pepe. I said, don't play, you will learn. They say pride comes before a fall. This is the adventure. We are still coming. This is stage 2, 3, 4, 5. They come.
Some of our products don't have Nafdac, but we're selling it. You want to bring a God-fearing game down? God will punish you. Why is that shut up? You fuck off. You safe, not if fear God.
And no matter how a cream is bad, you understand, it's going to still be good to 1 or 2%. But what we're looking at is the majority of people which this cream has caused damage on. That is what is going to ascertain whether your product is good or not. Because no matter how bad the product is, if you ask me, it's going to be good on somebody. I don't know, but I just think it is what it is. So guys, this Jenny's Glow. People are just bashing her that if you say your product is not bad, why don't you show us customers who are using this product and are testifying good? Because the only thing we are seeing here is customers who are using this product that is bad on their skin. And thank God, when I saw this video, I'm like, God, thank God I didn't invest my money in this product, because when you getting a product that is very expensive is one, and now having to experience bad damaged skin that you're trying to make look good, you now got it more damaged, is another thing. So I can see how depressing it was, or it is, on these customers, that some of them came to say this, but one person was used as a scapegoat. Sorry for her. Okay, so guys, I don't know, maybe when you want to get a cream in Nigeria, when you want to just buy a skin brand, I just say just follow your heart, because I won't even say again you should follow the reviews that people are giving, because they pay these people money and they come out and do these reviews not even having to use that product. So I don't even know, I would say go with your mind and see. Brands, let me talk generally to brands. When customers are saying your stuff is bad, yeah, I know some people are very wicked, they can do anything to just bring down your business, but trust me, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8% can't just be doing meeting to bring down your business. Who are you? So when you're getting bad feedbacks from your business, just know what the cause is, know what the problem is. Customers are always right. Must be something that is too much, or that is too acidic, or that is too not good on that cream that is making other people to complain. So just try to resolve what the problem is, instead of using that energy to fight, to call police, to show that you have money, to cry, to say that people are trying to spoil your business, your hard work, may God fire them, to curse. Use that energy to get to the solution of that cream. Call that customer, call the customers, tell them they should come, see how their skin is, see what happened, see how their skin was, see what it changed to after your cream. If you're really a brand that wants to remain there forever, know the reason why their skin changed. Know what you added to that cream recently. Go to your factory, do research. What did they added more? What did they add less? This thing that happens to these customers. I didn't get this complaint 2 years ago. I didn't get this complaint one year ago. Why am I getting this complaint this year? What did we add in this cream production differently from last year and last 2 years? Can you just do a statistics and know where this problem is coming from, instead of calling police on these customers and causing problem for these customers? If you do it this way, I'm telling you, and these customers come back on the internet to speak this way, nobody's going to bash you, because it is bound to happen. Every business is bound to at a point have this little lapse. It is bound to happen, but the lapse is now, how do you solve the lapse when you're a business owner? Call these customers that are having issues with their skin. If your brand is authentic and has longevity and has longevity, you're expecting the brand to be here for a very long time. Call these customers, watch their skin before and what it is after using your cream. Go back to your factory, resolve these things with your production people, the production team. Come to the internet, because internet is the world now. Come to your page, show the customers, tell us what you're about doing now. Tell us that you have removed those batch of products. You're trying to solve this problem. A new batch of products will be different. Let us trust you again. Because when you're thinking you have made so much money, you can lose so much money as well. Okay? I also know about this thing that some people are making cream products, and they're giving celebrities different things, and they're giving people like us different things. So you're saying that this celebrity skin is looking very fine and she's using this product, and you're using it and you're not getting as results as this celebrity. It could be that your own is China and the celebrity's own is original. Because trust me, they can't sell those cream to celebrities and their skin will damage and they will go scot-free. So they know who they sell those batch of cream to. So I ran. Thank you guys for watching, and if you have not subscribed to this channel, please try to do so, and I'll see you in my next video. To have a wonderful day. Don't forget to write down in the comment section what you think about this video. I'll see you in my next video. Have a wonderful day. Bye.